Hello student, in this class we learned Boolean tool. So first I create a cone. Now I change the parameter of this cone. So I go to modify section and change radius 1, radius 2, 15 and height 50. So these are the parameter of this cone. Press F4 to show the edges. Now I place this cone in the center of this grid. So press W or select and move to, and then right click on the X and Y up and down arrow, so it shift in the center of this grid. Now we create a sphere, and the size of this sphere should be smaller than the radius 2. Move in the Y direction, and the center line should be matched with the this line. Okay, now select this sphere and also place in the center of this grid. So it's look like a cone ice cream. Cone is object A and this sphere is object B. So we call this A and B. So first I select and place in the corner and then make a duplicate copy. Okay. Select cone and click on the standard primitive drop down list and choose compound object. And Boolean tool is available here. So these are parameter of Boolean tool. First button is add operand. By using this, you can add object B. By default, union operand is assigned, so the volume of two objects is unite, and the intersecting or overlap mesh is deleted in this case. Now I create a duplicate copy of this object and change the Boolean operand. Now I choose intersect, and in this operand, override or intersecting geometry will remain same and the other geometry will delete like this. Now I create a duplicate copy again, and this time I choose subtract. By using this operand, object A is deleted by the object B. So I click on this. So overlap or intersecting area is deleted like this. Now I create 3 duplicate copies. Okay. In this we apply merge, and in this we apply attach, and in this we apply insert. So in the wireframe these are look same, and in the mesh mode these also look same. Now we select all and make a duplicate copy again and convert all these objects as a editable poly. We select this object in element mode and select and move. So it's look like this. Two different element is available, and we apply merge operand on this. So it's create two different elements. Now we select the second object and we apply attach operand on this. So I select element subdivision and select and move. So in this case, object can move separately without any changes. And in the third object, we apply insert. So after selecting and moving elements, so it's give this type of result. So these are basic difference between merge, attach, and insert Boolean operand. Two other checkbox also available in the Boolean operand window. So I make two duplicate copy once again, and in this I apply imprint and choose union operand. So in this case, the object B is printed here. This edge show the line. Okay. And in the second object, I choose cookies. So cookies is a cutting tool. Object B cut this surface like this. Okay. So these are all tools in the Boolean tool. I hope you like this class. Now we meet in the next class.